In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the text cursor thickness on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, you come back to settings. Go ahead and select that. Select accessibility on the left panel. And then on the right side, underneath vision, select where it says text cursor. You can adjust the thickness of it by scrolling down where it says text cursor thickness by dragging to the right or left, and you can see a preview of it up there, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.